Assalamu alaikum students. Today I will discuss this important question, the permutation. So permutation is a way of arrangement. Arrangement means if one of the several possible variation are given in which a number of things can be arranged. Okay. So permutation is a arrangement of any objects, and then formula for permutation is n permutation of R. It means n is a total number of outcomes and R is a number that can be arranged. Okay. So formula is n factorial divided by n minus R factorial. So students, factorial, the concept of a factorial, because I have already discussed about the factorial in my previous lecture, and the link of this video is given in description, so you can see. This is the formula for permutation. The permutation means the arrangement of all students, for example, this is an example for students, R student, the arrangement of R student out of total number of students n. Okay. So this is the purpose of permutation, arrangement of anything, students, pictures, and you can arrange or all any other points. So see this one, according to your textbook, the question is find the permutation. For example, this is 20 and 3. Okay. So the permutation of 3 out of 20. According to this rule, the permutation of this is 20 factorial divided by 20 minus 3 factorial. And 20 factorials divided by 20 minus 3 means 17. Okay. And what is the factorial? Factorial is the product. 20 multiply 19 multiply 18 and 17 up to 1. And similarly 17 factorial means 17, 16 and up to 1. So it means this 17, 18, 15, 14 up to 1, and this one 17 to 1 and this 17 to 1 cancel with each other, and remaining numbers are 20, 19 and 18. So student, multiply these number, 20 multiply 19 multiply 18, and the final result is 6840. Okay. So this is a permutation of 3 out of 20. This one. So I hope you understand this one. This arrangement, this is the formula for permutation, and the permutation is a arrangement. And for detailed understanding for this permutation or the arrangement and the main important example, now solve on this board. So let's start this important question about the permutation. In how many ways can the 5 boys and 4 girls be seated on bench so that girls and boys occupy alternative seats? Okay, means one boy, one girl, boy, girl, and so on. So let's suppose, let 5 boys means B1, let B1, B2, B3, B4 and B5. Okay. So student, these are 5 boys. And girls, there are the 4 girls. So let G1, G2, G3 and G4 are girls. Okay, and the sitting plan is yes, what is the sitting plan? Sitting plan means 1 B1 and next G1, okay, B2 and G2, B3 G3, B4 and G4, and last is B5. Okay, so there are 5 boys and 4 girls. It means the permutation of boys and girls. So first, the first seat is booked for boy. So first seat is booked for first boy, and the permutation, according to permutation, there are total 5 boys. Okay, and this is the first boy, 1. 5P1. Next student, this one. This is a multiply, because all permutations multiply arrangement, sitting arrangement. So next, G1. G1 means girls. Girls, how many girls are student? There are the 4 girls. So 4 and 1 girl. Okay, 1 girl is done. Next, boys. Yes student. Now how many boys are left? Students, see, understand this one. The 1 boy booked the seat, so remaining are 4 boys. So now 4, 1, and G, girl, this one, this is seat booked for 1 girl, so remaining are 3. So this one is always 1, because each person has only 1 seat. Next, move on, third boy. Oh, this is multiply, P. Now student, boy 4 and now remaining 3 boys. Similarly, girls, 2 girls, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1 and 1. See, in circle all P4 boys. Okay, these circle represent the number of boys and other ones represent permutation for girls. Okay, so simplify these according to my previous now formula. Permutation n factorial divided by n minus r factorial means 5 factorial divided by 5 minus 1 factorial. It becomes a 4 factorial. 5 factorial divided by 4 factorial. So cancel and remaining is 5. You can calculate this one. This is not a tough question. This is a 5. Then multiply 4 factorial divided by 4 minus 1. 4 factorial divided by 4 minus 1 means 3 factorial. 4 factorial and 3 factorial means 4. This one, this is also same term, so this is also 4. And next 3 factorial divided by 3 minus 1 means 2. 2 factorial cancel and then 3 is remaining, and this is also a 3, and similarly this is 2, 2, 1 and 1. So student, multiply these terms. 2, 2, 4, 4, 3, 3, 9, 4, 36, 36 multiply 4, 4 and 5, and then final result is multiply after multiplication of this one 2, 8, 8, 0. So student, this is a possible arrangement of this one. Okay, so the 5 students and 4 girls are seated one by one. So how many ways? This one, 2, 8, 8, 2, sorry 0. It means 2880 ways to arrange this type of a technique. Okay, so student, this is the most important topic, permutation. Now if you like this lecture, so please like it and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Take care.